What if the real lesson hidden inside the Epstein files isn't about names or headlines, but about how power, attention, and money actually move? When you study influence closely, you start noticing the same patterns everywhere, including blockchain. Meme coins don't explode by accident. They launch, spread, and gain momentum using the same fundamentals of timing, visibility, and narrative control. In this video, I'll break down how these hidden dynamics completely changes the way meme coins are launched, and how creators turn these mechanics to build hype, non-stop volume, and early market attention and making money from day one. I developed a structured approach to launching meme coins and building early momentum around them. Over time, applying this strategy across different projects helped me grow a wallet that crossed $3.5 million. In this video, I'm sharing the real process, lessons, and experience behind that journey. So here we are on bot.tokenclub.fun, which is a next-gen meme coin volume engine designed to accelerate visibility, momentum, and on-chain activity from day one. First, connect your wallet. I am connecting Solflare wallet. You can connect any wallet you have. And then, paste your token address here and click on the target button, so the bot will detect your meme coin. This platform offers two execution modes: Ghost Protocol and Precision Override. Ghost Protocol is designed for creators who want to bootstrap momentum without complexity. Built for beginners, it runs fully automated, low-profile trade execution that focuses on consistency rather than aggression. But on Precision Override, an advanced execution framework built to replicate organic trading behavior at scale. It intelligently coordinates high-frequency activity across distributed wallets, creating sustained momentum rather than artificial spikes. This is how early-stage meme coins break out of obscurity, pushing higher trading volume, accelerating market cap growth, and surfacing on trending terminals, DEX trackers, and Solana analytics dashboards. Move the slider to 5 SOL. It's a solid amount to get started. The idea is simple. The more SOL you allocate, the more trading volume the bot can generate for your token. Now, click on Initiate Sequence to start the bot, and approve the payment request after that. You will see how this bot works. Now the bot is live and doing its thing, executing tons of buy and sell trades automatically in the background. In this run, it's pushing around 5,000 trades on the token, which keeps the chart moving and makes the activity look natural. And this is something most creators already understand, but don't really talk about. Meme coins are all about hype and momentum. The more volume and attention a coin has, the more eyes it attracts, and that's how it stays trending. The process itself is super simple. Set it up, let it run, and honestly, you can just sit back and watch the momentum build. You can see the bot running smoothly now. So let's jump over to our meme coin and see what's actually happening live. And wow, look at this. The activity is picking up, the chart is moving, and the momentum is building in real time. This is exactly what we want to see. The bot is doing its job, pushing volume and helping the token gain attention. Honestly, I'm loving how clean and efficient this looks. This feels like one of those tools that stays under the radar while the smart creators use it early. If you want more discoveries like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.